Hey everyone, welcome to our course this summer. This is just a quick little welcome video. Just one, you get to see me, get to know me a little bit, just know a little bit about me, what my background is, where I'm coming from. And it's important that you have a feel for who you're talking to. So I just wanted you to see me through this video. Just know that you know, teaching's my favorite thing to do. So you guys need help, you want any time with me, all you got to do is ask. Okay, so always remember that. And let's see, what do you need to know about me? I've been teaching for quite a while. I guess I've been teaching for about 27 years total now. Well, that's an interesting number, 27 years. I was actually in the Coast Guard for 27 years. The last 22 of those, I was a full-time professor of mathematics at the Coast Guard Academy, which is in New London, Connecticut. I retired from the Coast Guard, and now I've been down here at Flagler for 5 years. And I was hired directly in as the chair of the math department, math and technology department. And we've been doing some good things. We've built quite a few programs. We have now a secondary math education major. We have a mathematics major, which is starting this fall. And we have a computer information systems major, which started last fall. So we're really trying to increase our mathematics and technology profile at Flagler, and in fact our actual whole STEM profile. We've heard that acronym STEM: science, technology, engineering, math. Okay, so technology and math are two of those letters. So we're really trying to increase that because really in the world today, you need to have some technical knowledge and experience to survive, really. Um, okay, so let's see. That's really it. I'm actually just now no longer the chair of the math department. I have been selected to be dean of the School of Business Education and Math, so still will be in the math department myself as a faculty member, though. So, and that's where it stands right now. I have a wife we got married in 1988, so we just had our 32nd anniversary. I have one son who's 26 years old, and he's married to a beautiful young lady by the name of Morgan, and they're having their first child in about a month, and which is our first grandchild. So we're very excited. And we're in the middle of this darn pandemic and trying to stay safe. My wife is actually immune compromised, so we don't really go out much at this point. She had a brain tumor earlier in life, and so she's on full kind of hormonal replacement therapies with drugs and stuff. So she really has to be careful about contracting any kind of weird, crazy illness, especially one like this that there's no cure for. So we have to be careful. But other than that, I hope you guys are being careful, and I hope your families are all staying safe and you haven't had any bad experiences or really, really, really bad experiences because of this pandemic. I know we're all not really happy about having to stay inside, but we're going to make the best of it. Okay, so I hope we have a great course together, and I hope I get to know all of you really well. So please don't hesitate to reach out and discuss anything with me. It's a good thing and it's a fun thing for me to do, and I really enjoy that. So don't ever hesitate to ask questions. Don't feel dumb. Don't feel anything. You got to work hard. This is a very fast course, and you cannot lollygag around in this course. You can't wait till the end of the week. I'll talk much more about that in the course description video, but you really, really got to stay on top of things. So, and that's what I'm here to help you do. All right, so I'll talk to you later.